Alright, so now we have the other line of skimmers, the Axium. And we're going to open the box and see what's inside. And we're going to set it up for you. There we go. Here we are. Again, the quick start guide, and inside you can find the warranty card. Very important, don't forget, you need to fill out the warranty card in order to get the warranty with us. You got the collection cup. This is the white box where you have the bubble plate and the pump. Okay, so we removed the protection for the collection cup. Let's now remove the skimmer body. Just gonna open this up. Remove the plastic cover. Put the box to the side. And over there, as you can see inside, that's where we're gonna put the pump. For that, we're gonna use a screwdriver. On this series, we have all titanium screws on the bottom instead of the twisting system. So it does require a bit more work, but it's very simple to assemble. Alright, now that we remove all the screws, you can see the base. We separate the base from the body. Again, we have to loosen up the supports of the pump. Very gentle. So this way it slides back and forward, and this is where you're going to put the pump, just like on the Premier line. Get the white box. Where we're going to have the pump. We have the bubble plates. And before you attach the bubble plate, it does come with extra O-ring, and we do put it over here. So when you attach, when you attach the bubble plate, it gives you more stability on your bubble plate. There we go. And then you just centered it with the pump, and you should be good to go. Now you're going to place the pump where the supports are. You push them in, and now you tighten it up. These screws, very gentle. Don't need to tighten them up way too strong, just enough to keep the pump in place. And now you're going to put the wire, the electrical wire, through the space for it. And now we're going to put the body on top, and make sure that this part is going to align properly with the pump so the venturi can go through. Okay, so you put the base to the body, the screws, you tighten them in. Again, not too much, just enough to create the pressure and keep it in place. Once you're done, you're going to put the skimmer on its upright position. There we go. And now we're going to put the venturi part, which is right here. You got the tubing, you got the venturi adapter. Just plug it in. So you get the venturi adapter and the hose from the box. You put it through the body, attach it to the pump, just gently put some pressure on it so it's there, and now you connect it to the air silencer. There you go, and the skimmer is set. Make sure the cap is on this side on all the time, because this is to drain water. If water accumulates inside your air silencer, it can happen. You're just going to remove this cap, this little cap, drain the air silencer, and then put it back on. And this is important because if it's not covered and if it's not empty of water, it's not going to work properly. So it's pretty much set. Now we're going to put our collection cup and you're ready to put your skimmer inside your sump. Just going to remove the plastic. And here we are. Just put it on top, a little bit of pressure, remove the stickers, and you're good to go. Oh, these ones are tough. All around it, and it's set. And then I will show how to operate the skimmer in a sump with water, so you guys better understand the way it works. Thank you.